Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows is updated and restarted so the store runs reliably. Once done, open the Microsoft Store app directly from Start. You may see a sign-in prompt. You do not need to sign in to browse free apps, demos, or some paid app pages. Use the search box and categories to find items. Make sure the app can access the internet. If you plan to download paid apps later, note where purchase requires signing in. Now you learn how to get items without an account. Focus on free apps and games labeled Get or Install. They typically download without signing in. Once the installer starts, watch notifications in Action Center. If a purchase screen appears, hit back and choose another free option. To conserve bandwidth, pause or schedule downloads. For offline installs, save installers or use the Microsoft Store for business sideloading workflow if available on your PC. This keeps apps usable without constant sign-in. To finish, open the installed app from Start and accept any permissions. This ensures proper setup. If downloads fail or store shows errors, run WS Reset. EXE to clear the store cache, then restart Windows. This usually fixes corrupted state. If a specific paid app requires purchase, sign in temporarily with a Microsoft account, complete the purchase, then remove the account from settings when done. If issues persist, check date/time, firewall, and use Windows Troubleshooter for store apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.